Alright guys, so I'm about to finish my last cardio session here. I don't know how well you guys can see this because this I'm like pointing it into where the sun's coming. It's probably hard to see, but there's my treadmill. My house is pretty messy right now, guys. Like that's kind of on the list tonight of things to clean or to do before we leave. But kind of wanted to give you guys like a look. It's super bright. Oh my gosh, it's like so, the light is like blowing it out, so it's like hard to see the physique. But I'm really depleted. I haven't had carbs since Thanksgiving, and so I'm hungry and I'm ready for some food. I get some carbs tonight, but we'll see if this footage turns out. But I just kind of wanted to do like a quick body update, and then when I get there, what I'm trying to do is battle bloat, and like planes will do that to you. Just the elevation change, it'll make you hold water, so that's what I'm battling over the next couple days. All right, let's get this cardio session done. Got my iPad up there. I'm gonna watch some Vlogmas episodes. All right guys, just got back from the grocery store and I got some stuff. I'm gonna show you guys the grocery haul real quick. I got some sweet potatoes. I'm going to dice these up and then throw them in the air fryer. They are so good. They're kind of like fries-ish. I don't know, like little fried nuggets. And then this is the asparagus. And then I have some steak here, which I'm gonna have to cook up tonight. I have some walnuts. Oh my goodness, I've got some cookies. I got 4 cookies. This is for pump up. So like right before I go on stage, about 30 minutes before, I'll eat one of these and I'll start pumping up because it's like a fast acting carb, and it's just gonna like help me fill out and make my muscles look good. And then this tuna is so much easier to fly with, so I'm going to be doing this, and this is like my fave flavor. And then I've got some oatmeal. Friday morning I do have a cup of oatmeal. I'll probably just put it in like its own package, so I'm not taking this whole thing. And then I got some rice cakes. Now I was supposed to find plain, but they did not have plain, so my options were the white cheddar, which I got, or the chocolate, or the apples and cinnamon. And I figured this one had the sodium in it, but it did not have, it has 0 grams of sugar. And so I figured this was as close to the plain as I could get. And then of course I've got my water. I've already gotten my 2 gallons in today. I'm still drinking a little bit because it's not quite time for bed. And that's it, guys. I'll show you guys more of the packing and everything. And I'm excited. We're leaving so soon. What do you think? Do you think there's some snacks in there? Not nice. Have a seat, Steve. Join the party, why don't ya?
Feels so special.
Alright guys, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. This I forgot that I had signed up for, and I had gotten a first box when I first signed up. I do a lot of shopping at GNC. This is the My GNC Pro box. So I think they send this out based on the fact that it's been long enough since long enough to forget. I think it's like quarterly probably. So this is probably their winter box of stuff. What happens is I can't see super well, so he actually will end up reading it to me anyway. So instead of me like trying to, or like figuring out what everything is and then reading it to you, I'm going to have Steve read it to both of us, and let's find out what is in this box. So, okay, here's the good stuff. That's in huge letters, so I can read that. Here's the good stuff. And it comes with this. Okay, yeah, we'll just go through it. Okay, there's this, I see free. It says
There's
something.
Coupon.
Is that it?
There's coupons. Yeah.
There's coops?
Coops.
What does that say? And what is this?
Tamiflex. Get a 14-day supply of Tamiflex. Fast acting, free. It's a coupon. Joint support.
Oh. You need that. Turning 29. You need some joint support for your old aching bones. Okay, so let's start with this.
Show the box.
Okay.
Before it gets all...
Dun, da, da. Okay. So this thing looks, if I'm gonna guess, this looks like some sort of a pre-workout. What is that?
Amino acids.
Close.
Essential amino acids. Yeah.
All right, so we got some amino acids. This would be good to travel like in a purse because then you could just dump it in your water. And then this one is BCAAs. I can see that. That's like, what is that? Watermelon.
Yes. Watermelon lime.
Watermelon lime BCAAs. Extend ripped BCAAs. Again, good for travel. Maybe we could bring this with us. Here's a Whey-Bolic GNC protein. Can you tell like what flavor that is?
Cafe latte.
Cafe latte. That's good. I like that. This is Surge. This is a pre-workout. I bet you. What is that?
Pre-workout tropical flavor.
Yeah, looks good. Again, great for the purse. So Steve, you could just throw it right in your purse or your gym bag.
It's a satchel.
Okay, and then this one is, I cannot read that one. What does that one say?
This is Herb 360 Milk Thistle.
Milk Thistle.
I
Perfect.
don't know what Milk Thistle is, but
I've been wanting some Milk Thistle. Oh, Phoebe wants down. Okay, go play. Go play. And this one I did peep earlier. This was fish oil.
Yep.
Just fish oil. I actually really did want some more fish oil. And then zinc. And then we have, what are these?
It's a coupon for Omaha Steaks.
Oh my gosh, I love it. You know, we lived in Omaha for like how many years?
4.
Like 4 years. I don't know if we ever had a legit Omaha steak. Some sort of a package. What is that? The cup of some sort. And then while he's exploring that, I bet it says in
It's
the
a
thing.
water-resistant phone pouch.
Oh, is it like the thing that we bring
Yep.
our phones underwater?
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly what it is.
And then this is that lit. Is there like what flavor?
The classic.
The classic
That's all it
lit
says.
drink. Get lit. Perfect. So the reason we signed up for this was not for the box. The box is cool, but they can see like your history of like what you shop there for, and they're like, yeah, you guys spend quite a bit of money here, so it would be well worth it to like earn the points, because we do have like the GNC like reward points, and so they get, I think, didn't it say something like 3 times reward points, or there's like certain, you get more reward points every time you shop, and then like there are certain days for pro members that get like 3 times the rewards. So like what would be good is to like go in and stock up on all the stuff that you need on those days and get like 3 times the rewards, and then you know you end up getting some free stuff, and you know, of course, to get these boxes. And I kind of like this just because then I get to try some of the things, but yeah, I like GNC just because it's super easy and I have a harder time. I love other supplement companies that are in the mainland that I've ordered from and that I really enjoy their products. However, the shipping absolutely kills me. Like the last stuff we ordered was amazing. I loved it, but to get like monthly vitamins and things like that, it would cost me $600 a year to get vitamins like on like a monthly order shipped to my house. And so it was like $50 for the vitamin packs, which I love, but then it was like $50 for the shipping.
Yeah.
I can't pay $600 in shipping per year for vitamins. Like that's it. That would be $1,200 total a year for vitamin packs, and I just can't do that. So I mean, unless there's ever a situation where some of the companies can figure out some free shipping to Hawaii, that might change it, or if they can get into stores out here like a Vitamin Shop or a GNC, then that will change. But other than that, like that's just my only reservation when it comes to like supplements and things like that, is I just cannot pay, I can't bring myself to pay that much. Plus, guys, I've talked about this in like other videos, not in Vlogmas, but do not focus all of your attention on supplements. That's probably like with beginners, like that's probably the first thing people ask is, what supplements do I need to take? How many? What do I need to buy? What pre-workout? Like all of this stuff. That stuff is to help aid in the process, but is not very important. And it can be if used correctly once you have the diet and once you have the workouts down. Like those things, you could never take a supplement in your entire life and reach the goals that you want. These are supposed to help aid in that process, but not be the primary, like, oh, I bought a fat burner, so this is like time, I'm gonna burn fat. Well, you're gonna burn so much more fat just being in a slight calorie deficit and doing some cardio and weight training. So you know what I mean? So it's not that I don't like supplements. I actually use supplements and love supplements, but I just want to spread that education to other people so that you know, like, you don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on the supplements. Please go spend that money on good high quality ingredients and food, or a gym membership, or better yet, go hire a personal trainer and invest that in somebody that's going to help you. But just kind of keep that in mind. And yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this little GNC unboxing. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, guys. I just kind of want to show you guys, I'm packing right now. And right here I have space in my suitcase. I have my shoes. The shoes I'm going to wear, this is kind of for afterwards because I think we're going to dress up. I have like a sweater. I mean, it's going to be 90 there, but maybe at night I'll be cold. A pink dress. I got all my athletic shirts. I pack way more than I need because I like never pair outfits and I'll realize that I don't have anything to wear. So then I have more shirts and some pants and leggings and like underwear and all that stuff. And then I have some bikinis. I don't think we'll have time to shoot just based on the amount of time we have there, but just in case. This is my competition bag here. So what I have in here is I have like 3 different suits. I have my black suit that I'm wearing, and then I have like a teal one and a blue one, or like more of an emerald one maybe. And then I have jewelry, backup jewelry. Yes. I got my pump up treats, and I got my after show treats. I got my pump up band. I have my pair of new posing heels. I have a backup pair of posing heels. You can tell they've been very worn. I have a shower cap for spray tan. This is actually a travel scale that folds out for measuring your food. And that is it on this side. Over here, just some lipstick, some hand wipes, toothpicks over here, and then I've got some food in my backpack, but I have this rice cakes, I have some of the tuna, I have my warm-up outfit, I've got the LFA top and pants, and then the CJ's Elite suit. So this will be good, and I'll take this with me for the day of show. And yep, that is it. And in my backpack, I have some vitamin C in here. I have some Expel in here, which Expel helps you pull out water. So I'll take that the night before the show, and that will help me like dry out for the morning. And then I have some rice cakes and things for like the plane in here. But you guys, that is it. I'm gonna go pass out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this a thumbs up, and I will see you guys tomorrow for traveling to Manila. Bye guys.
This Christmas will be so